How to download Trade Republic app. So if you want to download Trade Republic application on your device, then first check your internet connection. Once you've checked your internet connection, now you need to open up your Play Store. Once you've opened your Play Store, go for the search and then you need to search for Trade Republic. Once you've searched for that, here you will have your Trade Republic application. So if you want to install this application or download this application, simply tap on install. And once you tap on the install button, it will start the install process. It'll take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application. But once it's downloaded, you will have open button, which is on the right side. Once you tap on open, it will open the application so that you can create your account or you can log into your account and then you can use your Trade Republic. So that's how you can download and install Trade Republic application on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.